I've got LGG free, and let me show you how to activate power saving mode on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now you have to scroll down, find and select battery. Here it is. And you can simply activate power saving mode by tapping on this switcher, just like that. So from now on, your device is in low power solution, and then if you would like to switch it off, simply click one more time on it to deactivate it. Then you can also set some rule. If you click on the left side of the icon, you will be able to pick turn battery saver on at 5% of the battery or 15% of the battery. So let me pick, for example, 15. And from now on, every time your battery is lower than 15%, then power saving mode will be automatically activated. So this is how you can personalize and switch on and off your power saving mode, but you can also access it quicker through the upper bar. Simply slide down to open all the functions and then locate battery saver. Here it is. You can simply click on it, and now power saving mode is active. If you would like to switch this mode off, tap on it one more time, and that's it. Now your device is no longer in battery saving mode. So that's basically all. This is how you can quickly and easily save power in your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.